So today we're going to be trapping for quolls. We've got the camera positioned 20 to 30 centimetres from the ground, and I'll show you later, but the positioning of the bait will be 2 to 3 metres away. So first things first, we've got to check the status. Reading the card. So we can see that we've got enough battery there, we've got 73%. So ideally out in the field you'd probably want obviously the full 100% to get you through however long it was the period that you were, the duration that you were trapping. And also check the memory card has enough space as well. So next thing we're going to go into change the setup, and to in advanced we've got the trigger, motion sensor on, and then so the sensitivity setting, that'll be how easily the camera track is triggered. So if you've got larger animals, which isn't the case here, you'd put it on a lower thing, but for quolls, because they're quite fast moving animals, you'd put it on the high setting. Any small marsupial mammal is like the same. So pictures per trigger, we'll set it up to 10 because we want to take as many pictures as we can, really, if we've got the memory to do it, so that when we change the setting next, which should be on rapid fire, it'll give like a video kind of effect. So that's good for if you want to monitor behaviour of animals. And also we've got it set to no delay as well. So next thing is the time lapse, and we'll just set it the AM and PM period to off because we want to be ready to take the pictures continually. We don't want it just for a set amount of time. Resolution, you've got the choice of 1080p or 3.1 megapixels. So the better option here is the 3.1 megapixels because obviously that's just higher quality, and that will be better for data collection and analysis when you're looking at all the pictures. Let me set that there. And so we've got the option of night mode here, and we can change the shutter speed, shutter, and so that that's beneficial because at night the animals might get startled by the flash, and you've got to take that quick picture as quick as you can, so you've just got to go faster. Last thing that we've got here is just to set the date and the time and the temperature. So obviously you want to set the right dates up. I don't know why you'd set it as anything else. Yep. Some quoll bait. I think for small marsupials it's like a mixture of peanut butter and something else palatable to them that's small. And we're just going to place it approximately, probably more closer to the 2 metre range, but anywhere from 2 to 3 metres away from the camera. And obviously we've got it, as I said before, we've got it 20 to 30 centimetres off the ground. Positioned here, that will make it optimal so the animal will walk through or eat the bait at the detection zone for the camera. So for this particular model, we've got 2 bands that go across, and in each band we've got, I think it's 6 zones, and for it to be triggered, it's got to move through, I think from one zone to another, and then it will take the shot. So naturally, when you're setting up the trap, it's imperative to test whether or not you've set the camera up properly and it's actually armed, otherwise the whole exercise would be useless. And this is just a sample shot of that.